Either you scientists prove the Big Bang Theory or you quit using it in your videos, which I know you can't prove it because the question is infinity. You know, where did this come from? How did this happen? Da 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 da. The question is infinity. The only answer that makes any sense is that existence is infinity. And how did it happen? It happened from condensedness of whatever it created from merely existing, like dust exists. How does dust exist? Because existence creates it just from being existence. All right. So there you go. Existence created whatever it created, and then it condensed, and then it ignited from pressure and condensedness, which we know heats up just like a freaking fire that starts out somewhere when you got too much heat and condensedness, and then it goes into a fire, and then poof, it ignites and it takes off. And then you got what? You got smoke and you got ashes, you got the remnants of the fire, and the fire continues to burn, feeding on trees and stuff. And what is the fire still burning and feeding on? It's feeding on all the stuff that it created out there. Call it dust, call it gas, whatever it is. Who knows, really? But the thing is, you light up, you pour some gasoline on the ground or something, and you light it on fire, and then it ignites and it takes off, right? And the same thing, you got gas, you got the remnants of it, and everything just goes, right? And it's a 360-degree bubble, just like everything is a bubble in outer space, because that's how it is. So it ignited into a bubble, and and everything is traveling with that, and then all the all what is burnt, the gases or dust or whatever, the remnants of that, and then created the galaxies, and then created the stars and the galaxies, and then you got planets from the stars. That's what you're dealing with here, people. Okay? So either you prove it, which I know you can't, because the question is infinity, and you cannot prove it because there's no way you can prove where something else came from. You can say, well, there's atoms, and there's these and that, and this and that, but where did that come from? Where did this come from? How did that happen? You can't, you cannot answer it, can you? Can you? So then you can't prove your Big Bang Theory. So then quit using your Big Bang Theory in your videos, please, because I don't want to hear about your Big Bang, because I know it didn't happen. And I know how it happened, because life proves how it happened. It's right here on planet Earth. And I know where you got your Big Bang Theory from. You got it from exploding stars, which makes no sense then, because then it would have just been sitting there. And then you would have had a star that was just made or something, and it would just be sitting there. It wouldn't be moving. You understand? So that makes no sense. Okay? So goodbye.